Today, Everlove News is right here at Keta AME Zion School to cover what exactly happens over here. Formerly, we know this foot bridge has been one of the dangerous one over here, and the students have been facing a problem over here. And we made it possible to the extent that things in here has been a problem. Students now pass through over here. Everlove TV has been able to cover this whole video and make it clear to you to the extent that we are making this program a successful one. The footbridge has been one of the things that helped them so much. It has helped everybody, and movement over here has been one of the easiest things for them. Teachers now can move from there to here. Students also can move from here to there. Formerly, moving from here has been one of the difficult things for them, but now moving from town, various houses to the campus is now very easy, and it's one of the joyful moments for the student to cover this program. Thank you for watching this Everlove TV, and remember to subscribe to our channel because we love you.
My name is Acholi Marumi. I am studying Keta AME Zion Basic School. The bridge they do us for us is give us help, because the time they don't do it for us. That some people and school basic people are falling inside the river, so now they do that for us. We are passing out to go to the school and come back for home. So thanks for people who do the bridge for us. We thank them.
My name is Emmanuel Kodou. I'm a librarian at the Keta Municipal Library here. Yeah, since they have rebuilt the bridge here, we have helped a lot. And formerly, before we cross the bridge to go to the other side of the school, we find it very difficult. But now it's very easy. You can just run and go and come. Formerly, when you are passing the bridge, the way the lagoon, when you are passing the bridge, you'll be feeling very dizzy. At times, you feel to close your eyes before passing. But when you close your eyes, maybe you feel inside the distance. But now it's very okay and very nice that you can walk easily, no fear, nothing.
And I'm attending Keta AME Zion Basic School. So far, the bridge has done very much for us. Even though when we are coming to school in the morning, we walk through the river, and our teachers to fall in the river. And we want to thank the people who did this very big job for us, that they have done so very well, and we thank them.
Good morning, madam. Morning, your phone. La famille. It's a pretty. It's a yearly. It's a crattery. The coverage you want, Baba, the coverage I want.